Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to calculate your baggage on the Austrian application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner, and then you should click on the Plan button and select the baggage subcategory. And after that, you will be directed to a page where you can calculate your baggage, as you can see here. So tap onto Our Baggage Calculator. Here you should select the route you want to take, so select your destination and your departure point. So type it in and then select the airline, the number of travelers, and then the status. Then click on the baggage allowance. Here you can find the calculator. So here you can find what's included in economy class and the additional free baggage section 2. Here you can find the optional baggage, the prices, the additional standard baggage is also here, as well as the excess baggage. You can read about sports equipment and animals too. And here you can also book optional baggage via the Austrian Service Center, and here you can find the relevant phone number via which you can reach them out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.